Good morning, students. I go for the next problem. Yes, on that day I did the problem with the 2 years of sales and profit. Here also same kind of problem, but we'll do with the alternative methods. So how to do that is, for purpose of calculating the BP, the total fixed cost is required. But in this type of problems, total fixed cost will not be given. So we have to ascertain that by using the alternative formula. Okay. So first we have to apply to calculate the PV ratio. We have to apply the second formula of the PV ratio. That is changes in profit divided by changes in sales into 100. Okay. The second step is we have to calculate the contribution by applying the PV ratio first formula. Okay, PV ratio first formula, contribution divided by sales into 100. Okay, so first step is to calculate PV ratio. We have to apply the second formula of the PV ratio. Second step is to calculate the contribution. We have to apply the first formula of the PV ratio. Okay, so in reverse, second first we have to use the first will be used as a second formula, second time. Step 3, we have to calculate the fixed cost by applying the contribution second formula. Okay. So when you taking the year, you have to take the base year sales and profit. Even in the previous problem also we did, base year profit and sales is given taken to calculate the contribution of the points. Okay. So I'll read out the question. The sales and profit for the year, second year, 2 years are as follows. 2015-16, 1 lakh sales, 1,50,000 and 70,000. So change will be 20,000. Profit 20,000, 25,000. So change of profit will be 5,000. Okay. Calculate PV ratio. First question PV ratio. Second question break even point. Sales, third question, sales required to earn a profit of 1,25,000. We have to apply the formula. Margin of safety at a profit of rupees 40,000. If they ask you only margin of safety, we can apply the formula break even sales minus normal sales. But when they given with the profit, we have to apply the alternative formula. Profit divided by PV ratio. Variable cost for 2 years. So we have to calculate variable cost for 2 years. Last question will be profit when sales are rupees 1,80,000. We have to prepare the marginal state. Okay. So before that, first what we require information that we have to ascertain. PV ratio. We have to calculate first PV ratio by applying the second formula of the PV ratio. PV ratio, change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So change in profit is 5,000, change in sales 20,000 into 100, we get 25%. We get 25%. So it is the second formula. Now we have to calculate the contribution by applying the first formula of the PV ratio. That is PV ratio, calculation of contribution. PV ratio equals to contribution divided by sales into 100. Contribution divided by sales into 100. PV ratio, now we have 25%. When you multiply with 100 other side, no need to write with percentage, just you write 25. PV ratio we have value, contribution we don't have, sales we have, base year sales we have to take 1,50,000 into 100. First multiply the numerator, 25 equals to 100 into C, 100C divided by 1,50,000. Now do the class multiplication and bring the alphabetic this side, 100 into 1, 100C into 1, 100C equals to 25 to 1,50,000, 37,50,000. So C equals to 37,50,000 divided by 100. We get contribution as 37,500. Contribution as 37,500. After getting the contribution, step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. After getting contribution, we have to calculate fixed cost. We have to calculate the fixed cost by applying the contribution second formula. That is, contribution equals to fixed cost plus profit. Fixed cost plus profit. So we have contribution now. How much we calculated contribution? 37,500. 37,500. Fixed cost value we don't know. Plus profit. Base year profit 20,000. Base year profit we have to take 20,000. Okay. So 37,000 highest value we keep this side. Bring 20,000 this side minus 20,000. Equals to fixed cost. So therefore fixed cost equals to 17,500. Okay. So if you do like this with this method, we will get even the contribution value. In previous problem, I applied a formula to calculate the fixed cost. Without doing the contribution calculation, we directly one formula we apply. That is sales into PV ratio minus profit. You will get the fixed cost, but you will not get the contribution. So if you apply this method, you will get the contribution. Now we are going to answer for each question. First question is asked for calculation of PV ratio. For PV ratio, we already calculated it is 25%. Okay. Second question they asked is BP in rupees. BP in rupees. So formula you know, total fixed cost divided by contribution into total sales. Because unit is not given, we have to take the value, the next alternative formula. So total fixed cost divided by contribution into total sales. So per unit will not be taken here. So total fixed cost 17,500, contribution 37,500 into this year sales 1,50,000. So here we will get 70,000 is the BP in sales in rupees. Okay. So third question, we have to answer for third question. That is sales for the desired profit of 25,000. Sales for desired profit. Sales for desired profit. Total fixed cost plus profit divided by total contribution into total sales. Okay. So here 17,500 plus 1,25,000 is the profit given in the question C. Okay, point C, they are given profit. That profit only we have to take into sales is base year sales 1,50,000. To simplify that, you get 5,70,000 is the desired sale. Sales for the desired profit. Question number D, margin of sale. Margin of safety equals to, formula is profit divided by PV ratio. Profit divided by PV ratio. So here profit is, according to point D, profit is given 40,000. At any point question, if the given profit, same profit only you have to take, not which is given in the question. Okay. 40,000 divided by 25%. You get 1,60,000 is the margin of safety. The last question, sorry, the question, calculation of variable cost for 2 years. How many years? Calculation of variable cost for 2 years we have to calculate. So PV ratio, already we have PV ratio is 25%. Okay. Then variable VC means variable cost is 75%. If you add together, you have to get the 100%. If it is PV ratio is 20% means variable is 80%. Okay. Now 2015, what are the sales? 1,50,000 into 75%. You get 1,12,500. For 2016, sales is 1,70,000 into 75%. You get 1,27,500. So we asked to calculate variable means with the PV ratio. What is there? The remaining of 100% will be variable ratio. So 25% PV ratio means 75% will be variable. So on the sales amount we have to take the sales. 75% that is the variable amount. So last question, the aspect is margin of safety. So last question is for calculating the profit. So marginal cost statement. Marginal cost statement. So sales is 1,80,000, which is given in the point F, less variable cost. Okay, according to this point, the variable cost is not given, but we have a percentage. So how much percentage? 75%. So variable means rate is constant. So whatever may be the changes in the sales, but the variable rate will not change. Okay, so 1,80,000 into 75%. 1,80,000 into 75%, you get 1,35,000. Take the difference as a contribution. Difference as a contribution 45,000. Less fixed cost. Fixed cost what we calculated already 17,500, because fixed cost means always the amount will be constant. So take the difference, that is the profit. 27,500. 27,500. Okay.